Okay, that's a walking foot machine, which we're going to demonstrate the machine, how you're supposed to thread the machine. And number one is you put the thread on top, as you see over here. You come down and into that hoop. There's another one. And now you're going to go around front, go to the back, and they have a little latch over there. As you see, they have a little pin. Have to be behind the pin. Then you come down between the two plates, pull up so the tension will go inside that two plates, as you see now, and then put it inside the gauge, and you're going to go to the take up, which the take up is right here. Okay, and coming down and going back down, put it to the hook, and here's another one, and then he's going down into, as you see that, and from the outside in you thread your machine, and make sure the long groove, which the long groove will be the outside, and a half a moon, it's right here. As you see, they have a half a moon. It have to be to the inside. This is going to pick up the thread, and every cycle that hook will turn around. So now we're going to thread the bobbin case, and here's the thread. You see on that position, you're going to slide it in, okay, and you close. You see they have a slot over there. You put it in the slot, and make sure which you're going to take the thread from the bobbin and slide it in between this one here and pull it back. And then after, pull the thread, the bottom up, so you see come up, and close your cap, and you're going to be ready to sew. And you put your fabric underneath the feet of the walking foot, and it's going to do your job. Right now you see it will pick up the thread, and it will make your stitches beautiful back and forth with no problem whatsoever. And we're going to show you in a second the stitches also on the back, and it's going very smooth with no problem whatsoever. So now you can see the stitches. You see the stitches right there? And the machine is ready to go. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. www.atlaslevy.com. You can visit us, and thank you very much.